Hello, my name is Stanislas Thienot from Champagne Thienot, and today we are going to test together our Champagne Thienot non-vintage. But before that, let me introduce you briefly a little story about our house. We are a quite young house in the Champagne landscape. Indeed, my father created the house in 1985. This is quite unusual because most of the houses of Champagne, as you know, have a few centuries of existence. But before creating his house, my father used to be grapes broker during 20 years. He started in 1968. The grapes broker is the middleman between the houses of Champagne and the vine growers. During all this time, he acquired a big knowledge about different vine growers, about the different terroirs, and also he started to purchase some vineyard with our first 5 hectares of vineyard in Hailly, which is a Grand Cru, in 1976. Thanks to this experience, he wanted to create something new, different, and this is how he got the idea to create Champagne Thienot in 1985. He brought the vineyard he purchased to the company. He bought some facilities in the center of Reims. He hired a young winemaker, and this is how Champagne Thienot is born. We made the first wine in 1985, but we released the first wine in the market only in 1989. Today, we define us as a boutique house because we have a quite limited production, and we own 30 hectares of vineyard. Among these vineyards, 60% are located in Grand Cru and Premier Cru. And today, we distribute mostly our wine into the gastronomic restaurant, wine bar and hotel. So now I think I almost explained everything about Champagne Thienot. So let's talk about our wine, Champagne Thienot non-vintage. I pour a little bit more. Alors, this wine is a non-vintage because this is a blend of different years. Here, actually on the market, the basis year is 2014 at 70%, but we have also 30% of reserve wine from previous year, from 2013, from 2012, and from 2010. This wine is a blend of the 3 grapes from Champagne, with the Chardonnay predominant at 50%, and 30% of Pinot Noir and 15% of Pinot Meunier. This wine stay only aging in our cellar at least 4 years, and we only produce our Champagne Thienot wine with cuvée. The cuvée is the first juice when you press the grapes, and the best juice with the better acidity, fruit expression and aging potential. Now, if I can define the style of Champagne Thienot, we try to have a very fresh, fruity, fruit-focused wine and fine wine. I like to say we produce spring champagne with a very fresh fruit, yellow fruit expression, a little bit, there is some hints of yeasty flavor thanks to this long aging, but very light, always with first the fruit. There's a beautiful yellow color, and a lot of peach, apricot, fresh apricot expression with minerality, even a little bit of saltiness on the nose. on the palate. We also feel all this fresh fruit expression, but with a creamy, quite creamy texture, and a very long and clean aftertaste, which make the wine very elegant and give you the envy to drink another glass. So thank you for your time, and cheers.